Want to invest in large-scale real estate? Crowdstreet might be for you. This platform connects accredited investors with high-quality commercial properties. Looking for direct investments? Crowdstreet offers single deals, managed funds, and even custom portfolios. Unlike REITs, you invest directly in properties like office buildings or apartments, building a portfolio tailored to your goals. Crowdstreet provides detailed project information, financials, and market analysis for every opportunity, giving you the data you need to make informed choices. Whether you prefer targeted single deals, diversified funds, or a personalized portfolio through their advisor service, Crowdstreet offers flexibility. The user-friendly dashboard lets you track investments, distributions, and performance. Many projects offer regular payouts, creating a potential passive income stream. Note that Crowdstreet is for accredited investors with a minimum investment typically around $25,000. This makes it suitable for serious investors seeking high-quality deals. Crowdstreet is a top platform for accredited investors seeking access to institutional-grade commercial real estate. Its transparency, flexibility, and detailed project insights make it a compelling option. Check the links below to explore Crowdstreet and see if it fits your investment strategy. This review should help you decide if Crowdstreet is right for your real estate journey.